Good day, sir. I am Sean Michael Ravoy from Section H2, and here is my Week 8 lab activity for the database management topic. So for this project, I installed two NuGet packages. First is the system.data.oledb for managing of database, and then iText Sharp for exporting into PDF. So here are my codes. So first is an event handler. So this event handler is responsible for connecting my program into my database file, which is the MS Access. So as you can see here, there is a for each loop. This loop will navigate into my database file and then accesses the names of the table, and then those names will be added on my combo box. That such combo box will be used by the user to navigate, view, insert, etc. using my program. And then next is the load. This event handler will load the specified table by the user on the combo box into the database view. Next is the insertion. This event handler, as you can see, has several conditionals. This will ensure that the specified on the combo box by the user is the one that will be inserted, since there are several tables on the database. So here are the updating of the database on the MS Access file. And then the update, just like the insertion, there are several conditionals in order to update specific table specified also by the user using the combo box. As you can see here, this one will hold the string that the user have chosen on the combo box, and then store it on my also string variable selected table in order for the other methods, functions, or event handler to access the selected table by the user. Next is an event handler for the toolstrip menu. This one is for opening of another file. So this program is not only limited to the file that I have added, which was the student and several things. The user can also open other database file. And furthermore, the user can also export certain table into PDF. So now let's try and run the program. So here's my program. First, let's see if there is any table names loaded on our combo box. As you can see, it is still empty since we have not yet connected to any database. Let's try to connect first. Connected successfully and load. As you can see, there is a warning since we have not yet selected any table yet. So so yeah, this is our table from using the data grid view, and here are the controls which enables us to manipulate, such as to insert, update, and delete certain information here on the table. So let's try to maximize, and let's go to the queries and load this. So you can see there are no any controls visible here since you have instructed us to just view the queries and not manipulate them, just manipulate the tables. So now let's try to add final grades here on our columns on the queries. Let's go here, and let's add final grade. Connect. Now we can add several columns. So for demonstration purposes, we will just limit to final grade 3. Save and then run. So you can see FG1, FG2, and FG3 are now present on our query. Let's try and view it on our program. Let's first refresh the query in the node. So you can see VG1, FG1, FG2, and FG3 are now present on our table, just like what we have done on our MS Access. Now let's try and open our student. Let's load it. And then let's minimize first. Adds and add a student. Now let's try it. Here we go. Let's try to insert. Record inserted successfully. Now the student is here. Let's check it on our database and refresh. As you can see, it is reflected. Now let's try to update the year level. Oh, let's try to delete. Let's try to update. Database updated successfully. Now it became 3 and check it here. It became 3 also. Now let's try to add some grades of the students. So let's try to do that. Record inserted successfully. Let's check it here and refresh. As you can see, it is reflected. Now, as you can see here, let's now go to the subjects enrolled by the user, and then this was P2, 4. Let's try, as you can see, subject student ID, let's add it here, and then insert. As you can see, student ID is 12, the course numbers are successfully inserted. Let's now view subjects enrolled here. As you can see, it is present here. Now, let's try and delete that. Let's try and delete that. We'll choose this and delete. Record deleted successfully. Let's check it here and refresh. As you can see, it's gone now. Yeah, that's it. That's how the program functions. Now let's try to export this table into PDF file. And let's put it here in the downloads. Let's name it database file. Save it. PDF file saved successfully. Now let's check if it was really successful. Now here are the table. Here's the table rather. Now this is the table named subjects enrolled. As you can see here in our database, subjects enrolled, it is identical. Now, after exporting, now we can try and open another file. Let's try this. Database file connected successfully. Now let's try the combo box. As you can see, it is updated based on the names of the table present on the connected database. Now let's try to load this and maximize. As you can see, here are the informations. Actually, this file is the task that we have submitted last week. Here are the information of my classmates. Yeah, just like that, we can open another database here in our program. So now to go back on the file that we have manipulated earlier, let's just open that. So now database file connected successfully. Now it went back to this. Let's try and view this and load. As you can see, we can do the task again. We can just manipulate, we can view the students. Yeah, that's it for my project. Thank you for watching.